Di khare re, di sha re, sha. Ako sunga. Okay. Sha, sha.
Tenzin,
Yes.
which category? Is it in the or the ha category?
Category. You can put this in the category. Sha. Like this.
Thank you.
Rashidile, everybody. Sorry, I'm late.
No problem. Rashidilek. So. Di tisho, di sha re. Sha. Sha. And if you say sha, sha karire, sha meat. Meat re. Then we learn bird. Bird. Payata cha. If you say cha sha, it's chicken. Chicken meat. Then we have a ra. We learned ra. Rasha. Luksha. Like this. Okay. Sha. Oh yeah.
Tenzin,
Yes.
yaksha serna kare.
Oh, yaksha serna yaki share. Yaki meat re. Yaki sha.
Do Tibetan have separate word for yaksha?
No. That's yaksha. And we call it yaksha. Yaksha. Luksha. Okay. Like this.
But does yaksha not also mean something else?
No.
Or is that in Sanskrit?
Yeah, it may be different spelling.
Yeah, yaksha is in Sanskrit.
Here,
Okay.
yaksha, like this. Okay. Yaksha. Oh yeah.
And what was shasha at the beginning? I couldn't write it down so fast.
Oh,
Shasha.
chasha is a chicken. Was chicken chasha. Yes. Even though I have.
I mean, a dead chicken. I mean, a meat or a living.
No. These all are dead.
Okay.
How do you read it, Tenzin La?
Sha.
Sha. So sha.
Mm.
As it is, this letter means what? Just the word sha.
Meat.
Sha is meat. Okay. Sorry, I was late, so I missed it.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yaksha.
Yaksha is chicken.
Mare.
Huh?
Yak. You know yak.
Oh, yaksha. Above is yes. That's a yak meat. The bottom one, for the chicken.
Re. Di chasha chicken re.
Shasha. Okay. Sasha.
Sha. Chasha. Like this.
Shasha is chicken
Re.
meat. The dead one, not alive. Okay.
No. Dead one. Dead body.
Okay. The above is carcass. So the above one is yaksha. Okay. Thank you.
Very good.
So how do you write the word sha?
You always start from the top.
Yeah.
Make this round. Then make this straight line. Then write this side piece. That's it. That's how you.
Oh, the side triangle. The side triangle has to be there.
Yeah.
Okay, but it looks like if you go by English, it's the mirror image of P. P
Yes.
in the mirror.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so we write P and then just reverse it. Yeah, and then there is a yatak there. ratak there in
Mm.
front.
Yeah, it looks like a very small ratak.
Ratak, you
Mm.
know. Okay. So it's called sha.
Yes, sha.
Sha.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. And then the pa yatak cha.
Mm.
And there is a triangle there also.
Yeah, these all are tek, the dot between these.
Yeah, tek.
Mm.
Yeah, tek. Okay.
Tek,
Okay.
tek.
Yeah. So cha shak. Cha sha. Cha sha
Mm.
is chicken.
Very chasha.
Cha sha
Chicken.
chicken.
Dead
Okay.
body of chicken.
Okay.
Mm. Dead
Mhm.
body
So
of
does
duck. Mm.
so
No,
cha sha is a dead chicken, is cha a chicken, a living chicken?
Yes. If you just say cha, it means every bird. It's a common name for bird.
Oh,
When
okay. If
you
it's
say
just
chasha, then it becomes chicken. That's it.
Okay.
That's
cha, means all birds. Okay.
yes. Mm.
Okay. But the moment it's cha sha, it becomes chicken meat. What
Yes.
about the bird, other meat, like they have the
Mm.
um,
Yeah. That's
mother.
different.
Okay.
Mm.
Mhm.
Okay. Now we have sha here. If you put kiku here, sha kikush. Oh, sorry. Sha kikushi sashi, like this. Mm.
Oh, when we do the prayer, there's a word sashi there, right?
Mm.
Yeah, sashi.
Then
Okay.
here I given you pa karatatra sha kikushi sashi trashi pa thadengbo de la dengbo le ka sa lek trash
Sashi delay.
lek.
Okay.
That's
Okay. So that's how to pronounce, you spell tachi delay.
mm. Okay.
Okay. Mm,
Mm.
okay.
Trashi delek. Just like.
Mm.
And what
Oh,
did you say the word she means?
Okay, that's the part of trashi, like this.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
trashi.
It itself has no meaning, she only.
No, you put them together. Trashi, that's better. Hmm? Trashi is something good.
Pa,
Hmm. Delek,
pa,
de is
pa,
fine,
ka,
leg is good,
ratak,
best, like this. So it just means
ta.
delek,
Okay, ta.
like this.
Okay, ta.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, my this thing is on. Sorry.
Hmm? Trashi delek. It's a gesture of greeting someone. Hmm? Just like Kyakar ki namaste, Yoruba. Namaste. Like this. Hmm? Trashi delek. Hmm? Okay. So today we practice. Okay. Hmm? Trashi delek. Kerang ki ming karere. Like this. So we will practice between two of our group people. Hmm? Yoruba. Yen hong tang Nyurmala in the Nyurmala. A Yen Hong in B Nyurmala in. Lasso.
그래서
그래서 자식들의 크랑키 민 가르제
자식들의 예민 니말에
Mhm.
아래 크랑 가네인
나 번에인 아니 계란기민 가래래
예민 빼마제
아래 계란 갸가니 인베
인가 갸까네인
계란기 부그민 가래래
예북그 민 자시래.
아래 깡cor디 계란기 부끄레베
레, 깡콜디, 녜, 부끄레.
빼하고 넣었어. 깡콜 하고서는 바이세클래. 바이세클 D, 깡콜 D. 오케이? 빼하고 뉴멀라다 yen홍라 투지치. Like this. 오케이. 다인다. 마르셀로라당 니말라인다. A 마르셀로인, B 니말라인.
Rashidilek keran ki min karere.
Тяжделе, не мин, не маре.
Ale. Keran kaneyin.
Nga pöneyin. Ani keranki min karere.
Niemin pemare.
Ale, keran gyakarneyin pe.
Yin. Nagyakar ne yin.
Keranki pügü min karere.
Niepu. Kü min trashire.
Ale, kankordi, keranki pügü repe.
Re. Concordi. Niepuku puke re.
빼하고 투지치 마르셀로당 니말라 투지치 라수. 다인다. 소냐라당 마크라인다. D 소냐라인, D 마크인.
Tashi delek. Kieran ki min karere.
Tashi, wait, Tashi Delek, naming Nimare.
Ale. Kieran kaneyin.
Nga boyen.
말해. nga pöneyin. 연결로.
Na neyin. Ani kerang ki ming karere.
Nge min pemare.
Ale, kerang kerang kane yin pe.
말해. 라 카타가 야타갸 카라 카르 갸카르 인디아. 봐.
Aha.
걔랑
Yakar.
갸카르 네 인페 연결로 막라.
Kerang yakar ne yin pe. Ne yin pe.
Yin nga yaka ne yin.
Yakar.
갸카르 말해.
Hold on. Kerang. 계란기 부구밍 카레레.
Pukui, because there is here akikui, you say Pukui kerangi Pukui Ming Karere. Puku hagosunga child. Kerangi
아고송.
child ki Ming Karere. Pukui Ming Karere. Yankerloa, Markla, Yanker Shiglota.
계란기 부구밍 카레레.
Peo.
Nge pukui ming Tashire, sorry.
Ashire, Peo.
아래 is it Kankor?
That's it, Kankor. Bicycle. Kankor.
Oh yeah. Concordi. 계란기 부크 레베.
That's it.
Re. Kang. What was bicycle? Concordi. Ne. Pukere.
Puku Re. Like this.
Pukere.
Concordi, Nye, Puku Re. Like this. Agosunga. Oh yeah. Nimala Shakam Labna dry meat Re. Dry meat.
I still thinking that I meet sak or yak meat anyway. Something idea in my head about it.
Ale, mare. Chana di dialect yinkire. Trongsep ki dialect yinkire. Like this. Tujiche, Nima tha, Sonia tha, Magla. Very good. You can read it slowly. You can read it fast anytime. Okay? When you know slowly, you can do it fast also. Okay? No problem. Yakuche song. Tujiche. Lasso. In the McGregor tongue, Darala in the McGregor tongue, Darala. The McGregor in the Darala in.
Lasso.
Tashi Dilek Kierang Ki Ming Karere.
Tashi dile Nge min nimare.
Ale Kierang Kane Ale Kierang Kane Yin.
Kerang pu na ne yin. Nga yin. Kerang nga pu ne yin.
That's it.
Ale.
Ani.
Ani. What is ani?
It's like an end at the starting of the sentence.
Okay. Okay. Kerang ki ming karere.
Nge Ming Pemare.
Ale. Kerang Yaker ne yin pe.
Kerang Gyakarne Yinpe.
Yin. nga gyakar yin no ne yin gyakar ne yin.
Huh?
Heranki fukure
Puku Ming.
fukuming karere.
Hmm?
Nge puku ming tashire.
Hmm?
Ale. Kankor di keranki fukurepe.
Re kankor di nge puku
Fukure.
re.
That's it. Hmm? Peyago. Tujiche Daratang McGregor la. Yakuche so.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, very good. Now that you can read it slowly, you can also read it fast. No problem about fast and slow. It's just a matter of time. Okay? Hmm?
Yeah, we have to practice because the words are confusing.
Yes, yes. If you don't look at this, you can speak fast. I know. But you have to connect the word, shape, and sound, everything together. Agosuma.
Yes, yes. Tujuh.
Lasu Tujiche. I will also send this in the group WhatsApp. You can practice it. Agosuma. Okay?
Yeah, thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Lasu. Oh yeah. Then we learned some Shimpuduke. Chadi Shimpuduke. Like this, right? Cha di Shimpo Duke. Then your answer will be, oh, Cha di Shimpo Duk. Or Shimpo Minduk. Like this. Okay?
Tensei, what is the word for or?
Yang na. Yang na. Yang yang na. Yang na.
Yang, and then nga. Yang nga.
That's just the negative of also, isn't it?
No. That's just or. Okay?
Okay.
Like we
Also,
say this or that, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Chadi Shimbuduk, Yangna, Chadi Shimbuminduk. Like this. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Like this. Okay, Shimbuduke, Tsapoduke, Tsapo Minduk, Changmoduk. Like all this we learned. Right? I will send it in the group chat also. Okay? You guys can practice.
Tenzin, I forgot what the K means. Duke.
It's just a question. Yeah.
Okay, like pay.
Just like a repe. Like this. For duk, we use duke. Like this.
Kensila, you said duke is like more personal, right? Your personal thing, right?
Direct experience.
Okay. Yeah. Tujuh.
Like this. Okay. Chadi Shimpudu. Then we have also a lot of words we have already did. Yakpo Duk. Tapo Duk. Right? Oh yeah. Then Changmo Duk. Okay. Yakpoduk. Oh, pe yakpoduk. Tujiche. Like this. Yakpoduk. Tsapoduk. Pe chadi. Pe tsapoduk. Like this. Ruba. Or Tangmoduk. Achu, Tangmoduk, Achu, Tangmoduk. Like this. Okay? Tangmoduk, cold. Ruba. So here, what I'm trying to teach is duk. When you say duk, it means your direct experience, your personal perception. Like this. Okay? When it's a general perception or general experience, then we have a different ending than duk. Okay? I will introduce this slowly. First, we have to understand this duk usage properly. Okay? Like this. Okay. If you have question, you can ask me. Okay? Oh yeah. In the sentence, we say, Langchen ki oma, oma hakosunga milk. Langchen ki oma shimpo duke. Like this. Langchen ki oma shimpo duke. Then he said, Minduk. Langchen ki oma shimpo minduk. Okay? Oh yeah. Tene de duga. Ani Pachuki oma shimpo duke. Pachuki oma shimpo duke. Then she said, Duk, pe shimpo duk, pe very shimpo duk. Pe shimpo duk. Right? Okay? So if I ask you, Italy ki pizza shimpo duke. Italy ki pizza shimpo duke. Like this. Then you may answer, Duk, Italy ki pizza pe shimpo duk. Like
Hey, Tensila, do we have to say the whole sentence? I mean, among friends, sometimes we can just say duk, shimpo duk. Can we say that?
That's it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you can say that after you know how to say it full sentence. Okay? First, I would like to us to practice the full sentence.
Full sentence, okay.
Then we can
Yes.
drop it. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
So when would you more use lasso instead of duk? Because it's also yes at the beginning, huh?
Yes, lasso is, look at the question. Lasso is like mostly, okay, okay. When you say okay, then you can say lasso, lasso.
And ong?
Sorry?
Ong? Ong is also a yes at the beginning of some sentences.
Yes, yes. Ong is
Ong
like
di tsapuduk, we said.
that's it, that's it. Ong is like a this. Like this. Like a yes, yes. Like this. Ong is like a yes. Okay. Lasso is like a okay.
And lasso is more formal.
Yes, it's formal, formal. Yes.
Is there an informal version?
Yes, but we have to
like
use it on the base of question and conversation. But right now, just say lasso is best. Lasso, lasso. Whether it's bigger or smaller or whatever, just say lasso to everybody. Like this. Okay. Lasso. Any dine? Tiwa yupe. Any question?
I have a question. Zinla.
Last Sundang.
Kerang yaksha senyonge
Sanyo.
di shimpo duge.
Oh, yaksha pe shimpadu. Okay, like this. Yes, yes. But yes, very good. Yaksha pe shimpadu. But it's not, I would say, now, since few days, I don't think meat as a food, okay? Because we Tibetan have a huge habit of eating meat. But it's time for me to change my perception, like this. And thank you. My friend helped me with this.
You mean you're going vegetarian now or avoiding meat?
No, I won't avoid anything. If I don't have anything to eat, it's just a meat, I will eat it. But I will change my perception.
Okay.
I will not avoid anything.
Okay.
But I really want to know when you earlier time, do you think it's shimpo or not? Is it tasty or not? Is it delicious?
Yes, patient budu. Patient budu. Yes, it's very delicious.
You mean the yak meat?
Yes, it's best meat I have ever eat.
Yeah, because that's what you used to have there, no? As compared, I mean, in the sense of red meat, yeah.
Yes, in the sense of red meat, yaksha patient buduk. Patient buduk. Okay. Okay. Then you can say Italy ki. So we can learn today new word. Khalak. Okay? Khalak. Food today. Khalak. Food. Okay? Khalak. Food. Ka. Mouth. Ka. Lak. Lakba. Like this. And together, khalak is food. Okay? Like this. All right.
So it means hand, mouth.
Yes.
Mouth, hand.
Yes. Mouth hand is food in Tibetan.
How do we because it's ka, right? Ka. So but we pronounce it as kalak or kalak.
Khalak.
Kalak. Okay, kalak. Ka. Yes, it's ka. Kalak. Okay.
Then somebody asks, Pepe khalak kare shimpo duk. Pepe khalak kare shimpo duk. Pepe khalak kare shimpo duk. You can answer Pepe khalak mokmok shimpo duk. Italy ki khala khare shimpo duk. Oh, Italy ki khala pizza shimpo duk. Right.
Pay can be put anywhere.
before shimpo. Before. Okay. Usually they say shimpo pe duk. They say like this in the exiled Tibetan in India. But our suggest put it before. Okay.
But making a question?
No, same meaning. Chikbare. Okay.
And
So
what is the pay in the
sorry.
beginning?
Very, very.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, okay.
Pe shimpo duk. Like Pepe kalak kare shimpo duk.
So dupe is like a question?
Yes, because here kare is already there. It's a question. So I don't have to put K here. It's a double question, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So this is asking that what food you like to eat, right?
No.
What food you like?
What Tibetan food is
Dupe or dupe
delicious?
kalak kare shimpo duk. Okay. Dupe kalak mok pe shimpo duk.
Like this.
I see. Okay.
If you think in terms of English, you're gonna be so wrong, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
But what's the second words? Ha, a, kiku, e. No, above. Well, this there as well. Does that make the Tibet into Tibetan?
Yes.
Does that make it an adjective?
Pepa is Tibetan. Pepe
Okay.
is Tibetans.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Like this. Pe is Tibet. Pepa is Tibetan. Okay.
So the adjective goes before the noun?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, in this case, the adjective goes before the noun. Is it always like that?
Where is adjective?
Tibetan.
Tibetan.
Oh no, sorry. I'm really confused. No, I forget what I said.
Okay.
That's not an adjective. That's a noun.
Yes, it's a good question. Please explain.
Yes. Okay. Adjective comes after the noun, usually when you use adjective. Okay. Here, mogmok is noun, pe shimpo is adjective. But in English, adjective comes first, right? It's a delicious momo, you say. But here we say momo delicious. Like this.
Oh, sorry, Tenzin.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said bupe. So that is like it's not the same pay as Bay Shimpudu.
No.
Bay. It's like okay.
Here, pepa is a noun here.
And then possessive.
Then if you put this here, genitive, it becomes food of Tibetan or Tibetans food. Like this.
Yeah. Okay, Tashikala.
Okay. Here, pepe kala kare shimpo duk. Like this. Then we say pepe kala mok shimpo duk. Like this. Okay. Italy ki kalak kare shimpo duk. Italy ki kala pizza pe shimpo duk. Like this. Or Italy ki kala pasta pe shimpo duk. Or you can say kyakar ki kala kare shimpo duk. Any kyakar ki kalak butter chicken thang nan pe shimbodu. Like this. Okay. Okay, I will send this sentence also in the chat. Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Practice it well. Okay, you can change Pepe to Italy key, Kyakar key, or America key, France key, Swiss key, anything. Okay, that's how you practice it.
But when we change to others, why we have to put key?
Because when there is no suffix, when you say Pepa, then you have to say
The E there.
When there is
Okay,
a suffix,
okay.
then you say key, no problem.
Okay.
The
Okay.
moment. Okay.
Okay. So when we say Gyakar key or Italy key or Thailand key,
Like this.
okay. Okay. Understand. Thank you.
That's all.
Tenzin La.
Yes, yes.
You could say, could you say Bueki Kalak?
Yes. That's also correct. Tibet key Kalak. Key Kalak. That's also okay. Okay. Just like I said, France key Kalak. Kyakar key Kalak. Key Kalak. Brazil key Kalak. Excellent. Good question.
So the key there is spelled with the ka, right? Ka, and then yatak, and then dengpo, right?
No. Kiku.
Yeah, kiku. Yes, kiku, not dengpo. Kiku. Sorry, I always confuse kiku and dengpo. Yeah.
Okay.
Kiku is E. Yeah. Dengpo is A.
In the Yenhongla. Yenhongla. Pepe kala kare shimpodu.
Pepe kala mo pe shimbodu.
Sonia la inda. Sonia la. Italy ki kala kare shimpodu.
Italy ki kalak pe shampoo duk.
Akasun kala kare. Which food? Kala what food?
Italy ki pizza pe shampoo duk.
That's it. Italy ki pizza pe shimpodu. Like this. Yeah, mark la.
Tenzin, so we don't have to double say kalak there, right? So when you ask in the question kalak already in the reply, do you have to say kalak also, or you can just skip it?
You can skip kalak and say the food name directly.
Okay. So this is only for us to learn, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So mark la in the mark la. Thailand ki kalak kare shimbodu.
Thailand ki green curry shimbodu.
That's it. Thailand ki green curry shimbodu.
Wow. Okay. You passed the test. Okay. Our green curry is very famous and pad thai. Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Then the McGregor la. France ki kalak kare shimbodu.
What's the word for cheese?
With tea, cha.
Cheese.
No, churra.
Cheese.
Churra.
France ki kalak chura shimpoduk.
That's it. That's all.
You should add the blue cheese.
Nimala, Nimala, Toshidelek, Nimala, Gagarki Kala Karishimpudu.
Yakarki kala ve şimpuduk. Yakarki kala masala şimpuduk.
Masala Shimpudu. Just like, okay. Inda, Nurmala Inda.
Allah.
Nurmala. Ani, 홍콩기 칼라 카르심부두.
홍콩. 미하고 마송.
알레. 아니, 야, 탈렌기 칼라 카르심부두.
오. 심부두 똠얌꿍 심부두.
탈렌기 똠양꿍 심부두.
심부두.
알겠어. 다랄라인다, 다랄라.
Yeah, la.
갸나키 칼라 카르심부두.
Where, Yinka,
갸나크, 차이나. 갸나키 칼라 카르심부두.
Janaki Kalak, hold on, what is that called? Peking duck, he shimpodu.
Peking duck, pe shimpudu. Like this. Very good. Okay. Now we know.
The China again, hold on. What is the word for China?
Gyanak. Ra.
Yeah.
Ga. Yata gya. Na. Ka. Nak. Gyanak. Like this.
Like Ghana, huh? Gyanak, okay.
Gyanak. Oh yeah.
So
Yeah.
if China's Gyanak and India's Gyakar,
Yeah.
does Gya mean something?
Yeah, I was going to ask the same thing. That's a Gya in the beginning, Gyakar, and then Gyanak. Okay.
I don't know.
So how did they come with the word Gyakak and Gyan? Okay, logic. Okay. It's a puzzle, okay.
I really don't know. Maybe I will look up and maybe I will say it later. Okay.
Yeah, Gyanak. Okay, Gyanak is China, okay.
Denizimler.
Low.
Pelyulki kala kare şimpuduk.
배율기 칼라 탈리 빼 심부두 탈리. 배율 Nepal riba.
Nepal is what?
배율.
Helyul.
배율.
Helyul is Nepal. So difficult word, Helyul.
Pa la
Okay.
pel ya shakyu la yu. 배율.
Is it the thali or is it the dal bhat?
Thali.
Thali. Okay, thali is also in India also, right? Thali, yeah.
Really. Inayang Nepal ki thali pe shimbudu. Gyagar ki thali shimbu yomare. Shimbu minduk.
Okay.
Really. 배율 ki thali pe shimbudu. Oh yeah. Gosuma. Oh yeah. Okay. Very good. I will have some. Okay. Till now we know Kane. Okay. From where? Kerang Kane in Kong Kane re. McGregor Kane re. Donald Trump Kane re. Like this. Okay. Then Kare Hakosuma. Di Kare re. Like this. Then we have Di Sure. Like this. Di Ngere. Like this. Okay. Then we have here Kapar. Okay. Kapar is just where. Kapar. Ka pa ra par. Kapar. Okay.
Kapar is not phone.
No. Phone we have kapar, mouth. Like that. Okay. Kapar, chikpa mare. Radang, chikpa mare. Agosma. Adi kapar labna. Where? Where? Okay. Then today I will introduce some direction. Okay. And we will.
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry, Tanmla, can you write kapar as phone?
Kapar. Now today we are learning kapar. This question here. Okay.
Kapar. Can you say the two different dradang?
Yes. Kapar.
Kapar. Okay.
So the phone is with the heavier sound, huh? Ha, kapar,
Like,
kapar, 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 kapar. Okay.
Like this. Yakulab sound. Okay.
Phone sounds higher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's ha category.
Kapar.
Because this is ka and ah category is lower. Kapar, like this. Okay.
Sorry, I've zoned out. What does the second one mean?
Where?
Oh, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Like this. So you can write some directions down here. Right there. Let me check. Oh yeah. Okay. So you can write this down, okay? Nang la. Inside. Okay. Chilok la. Ok la. Gang la. This 4 direction is enough. Nang la. Chilok la. Ok la. Gang la. Here you can say pa yata cha kiku chi, like this. Okay.
Yang kêu sung thang.
Pa yata cha kiku chi. La naru
lo ka sa
lok.
Okay.
Chilok
la. Okay.
And what was Shilok la?
Outside. Chilok la outside. Ok la underside. At under. Gang la on. Like okay.
On.
Hako masang.
Which one? Okla?
Okla and then gangla.
Gangla on. Okla. On or under. Oh, sorry. On.
On.
On the hand. On the
on.
On the
Okay,
head.
okay, okay,
Hmm?
okay.
It says on the head like this. Hmm?
And
Okay.
okla,
Okla under.
under.
Really.
Example?
Hmm.
Example of all the four, please. Thank you.
No problem. Example, I won't give it now. Okay? It will confuse you. In the next lesson, we will go with the sentence. Okay? Today,
Okay,
let's
okay.
introduce some
Four words.
direction.
Okay,
Hmm?
okay.
So are these prepositions or they're nouns?
They are direction,
Inside, outside,
outside,
under, and then on. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Oh yeah.
On be like above also.
Yes, that's true. Hmm.
Okay, so it's the opposite of ongla, right?
Okla.
Okla. Okay.
Kangla represent above, over, on, all these. Okay. Hmm.
Mhm.
Okay. So you see, Nang La is inside. Okay. So sometimes Nang means home also. Okay. Hmm. We use this word a lot. Nang for home. Nang La inside. Then Nang Chu inner change. Hmm. Like this. Nang Chu. You may have heard this. Buddha Dharma, like this. Right? Buddhism. But Nang inside, Chu change, inner change, like this. If you just say Nang, Nang La Yu, Nang La, it also means at home. Because when you go inside, you feel like a home. So Nang also home. Okay? Like
Yeah, we learned the word nangcho the other day. Nangcho. Yeah.
Nang Chu. Then Nang also represent home. Okay, we
Nang.
learned Kangpa.
Yeah, Kangpa.
It's just house.
Yeah,
When you
Kangpa
say
is
Nang,
house. Yeah.
you feel home.
Ah.
Okay? Like this.
Ale.
In the meditation, you have heard when you do meditation, practice meditation, you feel like you are at home. Like this, right? So that's Nang inside. Okay? You can call your home Nang also. Okay? Oh yeah. Like this. So, direction, Nangla, Shilokla, Okla, Gangla. Now you have noticed there is la in every direction. And la is a particle that indicates direction. Okay? Just like a ki, delta that indicates connection. This la indicates direction. Okay? Like this.
Maybe you can also say location.
Yes, location. I would say direction. Location is also okay. So you can also use this la. Here I said Nang la, Chilok la, inside, outside. You can also say Brazil la. If you are showing direction, you can say Brazil la, America la, Europe la, like this.
But direction to me means more like north, south, east, west, or right, left.
Yes, but when you say I'm in Brazil, that in also shows direction. So la indicates direction. Okay.
Okay.
Or location, as whatever you feel like.
Okay.
Okay, la can be mean in, on, at, everything. This la is a grammar particle that has to be right after the direction or location. It could be in, out, on, under, or at Brazil, in swimming pool, in cinema hall, at Starbucks. You can say Starbucks la, cinema la, ok la, gang la, nang la, chilok la, like this. Okay. So you just have to know that la is another grammar particle that indicates location or direction. Okay? Today I just introduced. I don't expect you to understand it, okay? We will go detail later and practice it together, okay? Oh yeah. Like this, okay. Then I will send this in the WhatsApp group. Just practice how to read them, okay? If you don't understand, no problem at all. We do it again. Practice reading also. Okay?
Lakso. Lasso.
So I think we will stop here today. Ani tujiche.
Tujuche. Thank you.
Tujuche. Thank you.
Kadrinche.
Lasso tujiche.
Archipelago Tanzania.
Rashidele tujiche. Lasso. Ni tsamalo. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody. Have a nice weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye.